So just taking a quick look at Solana then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, Solana here looking actually quite weak in comparison to the rest of the altcoin space right now over the past few days at least. You can see Bitcoin here having a little bit of a retrace and having a decent green candle today. And quite a lot of altcoins here recovering, as you can see. But actually, Solana, one of the only cryptos today that's on a very, very red candle. Look at this quant. This is a really big reversal for quant. Still showing that it's basically a $100 stablecoin and has been pretty strong, to be fair. All across the market, though, you can see green candles today, so far at least. With things looking like they're recovering after Bitcoin trying to dump the market. But you can see Solana here actually having a bit of a bearish time. A lot of things came down into a kind of a range like this. Obviously, you got the altcoin space, came up, hit a new all-time high. Bitcoin dumped the market on Monday. And then we've actually come down for Solana here and made another leg to the downside here, showing a little bit of weakness, to be honest. However, I do think we could be potentially in for a nice reversal for Solana. We'll just have to wait and see if we can get ourselves a big move back to the upside. As you can see, Solana here looking like we could get ourselves a fair value gap reversal back to the upside like this. I might just put a little alert on this for myself in case we do see ourselves run up. This could potentially be a really good trade, actually. You can see here we've got this big manipulation down, liquidity sweep, and then you could see something like this happening for Solana pretty soon. Just depends on what Bitcoin does, as always. Bitcoin right now looking like it wants to recover, as you can see here, looking like it's got its own fair value gap that it's inversed back to the upside. You can see accumulation, manipulation, and then inverted fair value gap distribution back up like this. This would be a really nice trade as well. Overall, Bitcoin and the altcoin basket, a little bit of a pullback over the past few days. I'd say 3 or 4 days. You can see the altcoin basket hit all-time highs and then came down and retraced. As you would expect, the market reacted to that. But overall, I do think in the long term, I think Solana's going to be fine. Just right now in the short term, looking a little bit bearish, as it has been a lot stronger than most cryptos, to be honest, so you'd expect a bit more weakness as a result. You can see here, we were just basically grinding to the upside here in this kind of ascending wedge pattern. We'll have to see where we go to next, although we are back testing and looking like we're probably just going to continue to the upside if I had to guess. Solana's been really strong recently, continuing to average in. Nothing much to say apart from that. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for some daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.